This Equinox LT has it all: heated leather-wrapped, all-wheel drive, sunroof, OnStar, tow hitch, and all power amenities. This is a really nice truck. It has a 3.4L 6-cylinder engine that offers more than enough power. Ask about our guaranteed credit approval program. Call and ask to speak with Avery.